Hey, in this short video I'll show you how to use Reddit tool. So we have our tool here. You can ignore this one section. Pretty much you have three fields to fill up, and here we have our subreddit, and we want to embed this post, which by the way is a video post, so we automatically create some kind of tier link building, but it has no follow backlink, so it's not. Anyway, how to use it? We click on the post we want to take care of, and in the URL you see reddit.com subreddit comments something and your title, and the something is what you want to copy, and you want to paste in the Reddit post ID. Subreddit is here, so we can copy it and we just paste it, and Reddit post name, let's say how to rank a video. How to rank a video on Google, and we click run, and it's gonna load the commands and do its work pretty much. And in a moment you will see here the Reddit folder when it appears, when it's done doing the validation. So as you can see, it appeared, and we'll see when the blogger, because the blogger is the first one being generated, so the blogger report will appear here in a moment, and we'll check our embedded post. So as you can see, we have video SEO, how to rank a video on Google, and they link to our Reddit post, and we have a Reddit post embedded. Thanks.